Good morning, student. This is Kavita Anandi. In today's class, we are going to see the other model in cost accounting. In last class, we have seen how to calculate the EOQ, economic order quantity. In this class, we are going to see what is the stock level which has to be maintained by the company throughout the process so that it won't affect the process. So the reorder level is what is the order for they had to make for the particular year, that is called as the reorder level. So this is the thing first has to be calculated, that is the formula is maximum. So this is the reorder level, the maximum level which can they order for the particular year. So reorder level is that is the meaning. So based on that, think the formula. So maximum level, so we have to use the maximum thing. So the formula will be the maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So that is called as the reorder formula. The next one is a minimum level which has to be maintained all over the year. So that formula is equal to the reorder level, the thing which we have calculated first. So the reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. The normal consumption is maybe average consumption. So for average a period of time, what is the level to be maintained during the period? The next one is maximum stock level, which is you have to use, first thing we have used the maximum, second we have used the normal consumption, and maximum stock level, the other thing which is to be available is minimum. So a reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. The next one is average level. Average level, there are two formulas. You can follow any one formula. So which one will be easiest? The maximum stock level plus minimum stock level divided by 2. This will be the easiest formula. After calculating minimum level, maximum level, add the two items divided by 2, or minimum level plus 1/2 of the reorder quantity. You won't get the same answer. The answer will be different for the each formula. So it is your wish to follow any one of the formula. A danger level is the should not go beyond that point. That is a danger level. So a danger level is average consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchase. Here there is not a normal maximum reorder period. It is only for emergency purchase. What is the maximum reorder period? So that is a danger level. So normally we have to calculate 5 things. First is reorder level. So what is the maximum limit which can order for the particular year? That is called as reorder level. And then minimum level. What is the minimum stock level to be maintained in the company? The third one is maximum stock level, and the next one is average level, the last one is danger level. So take this question. Two components X and Y are used as follows. So the question information is given us. What is the usage? Minimum consumption or usage, both are same. 50 units per week. Maximum usage is 150 units per week. This is the things happening in the company. So based on this information only, we have to find out what is the level to be maintained. The normal usage is nothing but the average usage, 100 units per week. The economic order, there are two components we have to prepare. One is for X, other is for Y. The X, the ordering quantity is 600. For Y, the ordering quantity is 1000. The delivery period for X is 4 to 6 weeks. For Y, 2 to 4 weeks. So 4 to 6 means is 4 is for minimum, 6 is for maximum. And for Y, 2 is minimum, 4 is the maximum level. And the maximum reorder for emergency purchase is only for have to use it for a danger level. So other than danger level, it is won't use for any other purpose. So X is danger level is 2. For Y it is 2. For Y is also 2 weeks. The fourth thing they have asked to calculate: reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, danger level. Now come for the question. The first thing to be calculated, don't for everything first. For first thing we have to find the formula based on that reorder level. So reorder level I already explained. Reorder level is the maximum level which has to be maintained, the stock level. So the formula is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So for X, what is the maximum consumption to be maintained? 150 units. So what is the for maximum reorder period for X is 6. Maximum consumption for X is 150. 150 into 6. For Y, the maximum consumption is 150, but the delivery period is 4 because it is ranged from 2 to 4. So to see the question, just apply the formula, will get the answer. It won't collapse. They won't give a collapse question. It's a simple question where you have to just apply the things which is given in the question in the formula. So the component Y, 150 units, same maximum consumption, but the delivery period is 4 weeks maximum. So you have found out the reorder level. This is the first thing you have to calculate in the stock level. Then next come for the maximum stock level. The formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus in the bracket minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So for component X, the reorder level we have found out is 900 units. So 900 plus what is the reorder units given in the question? The reorder units given in the question for X 600, for Y 1000 units. So reorder quantity for X 600, for Y 1000 units, and reorder level for Y is 600 units, minus the consumption is given in the question is as minimum consumption is 50 units for each. So for X 50 units, for Y 50 units, into minimum reorder period. So minimum reorder period, what is the minimum reorder period for X? 4, for Y it is 2. So 4 into 4, and for Y into 2. So 900 plus 600, which is 1500. So finish the item which is in the bracket. 50 into 4, 200. So after calculating you will get 1300 units, for Y 1500 units. So this is the way you have to calculate for maximum stock level. Now come for the minimum stock level. The minimum stock level, the formula is reorder level minus the reorder quantity only used for maximum level, where we have to maintain at the maximum stock level in the factory. So minimum stock level, or is the formula reorder level minus bracket in brackets normal consumption into normal reorder period. So reorder level for X is 900, for Y it is 600. So for component X 900, for component Y 600, minus for normal consumption is nothing but the average consumption. If it is not given in the question also, you can able to find out with the usage. 50 plus 150 divided by 2, which will give the normal usage. So the normal delivery period is not given. For minimum 4, for maximum 6. So normal or average you can able to find out by 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 5. Here 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is, so for Y the delivery period the average will be 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is will be 3. So if it is not given, you can able to find out for the normal thing. So I had told that for normal consumption is 100 units into for normal reorder period 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 5 weeks. So 900 minus after 100 into 5, 500. So 900 minus 500, which is given 400. For component Y 600 units is the reorder level minus 100. Their delivery period is varies from minimum to maximum 4. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3. So 100 into 3, which is 300. So 600 minus 300, which is 300 units. So in the question they have not asked for what is the average stock level to be maintained. If they have asked extra question average stock level, I have told the formula already. Minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. So what is the minimum stock level? 1500. What is the maximum stock level? 300. Sorry, the minimum stock level is 300. The maximum stock level is 1500. So 1500 plus 300, which is 1800, divided by 2, which is 900 units will be your average stock level. Otherwise, the other formula you can apply, but this is the easy formula. Just remember this formula alone, you can apply in the formula. Last one is danger level. In the question, only in the maximum reorder purchase for emergency purchase given alone, you can able to find out the danger level. So the formula is average consumption into maximum reorder. For X and Y, the average consumption is 100 units. And for the emergency purpose, they have given reorder period for X is also 2 weeks, for Y is also 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, 2 weeks. The answer is 200 units. This is the danger level which has to be, the company should not go below this level. In case of emergency, they can order also this much time. Within 2 weeks, they can able to get the products. So this is the 5 stock level which has to be looked on for a material purpose, so that there will be a smooth operation in the business. So go to the formula, just apply the formula whichever given in the question. So I have given there are 3 questions. You can try it as a homework sum, so that it will be easy for you. So try it as a homework sum. So the same thing, you calculate 4 items: average stock level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, reorder level, and danger level if it is given the question as maximum reorder purchase for emergency. If the emergency purchase is not given, you can't able to find out the danger level. The other things can be found out. So try it as a homework sum. I hope you would have understand the model. Next week we can see the other model. Thank you, girls.